Dear friends, in class 7, let us study the 6th chapter, the triangle and its properties. Now, every triangle has, we have already studied, let us revise it. If this is a triangle, so triangle is a closed figure formed by three sides. So triangle is a geometrical figure, you can say, a geometrical shape, a geometrical shape formed by three sides. Now here every triangle has these points. 3 points are called as vertices. So every triangle has three vertices. And for this triangle we have vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. Please note, when we are talking of a single point, we write vertex, and when we talk of plural, that is more than one, then we write vertices. So vertex is for singular and vertices is for plural. Now every triangle is also formed of three angles. Every triangle has three angles. Every triangle has three angles. Now see, here you can see this triangle is having angle A, angle B and angle C. But sometimes what happens, we have two angles or three angles at a single vertex. So we need to name these angles by three letter name. So this is angle B can be named as angle ABC or angle CBA. So angle B means angle ABC, or it also means angle CBA. Angle CBA. Then angle A means this angle. It means angle BAC. Please note BAC. So A is at the center. This can be named in other way also. That is angle CAB. Angle CAB means again same angle. You will notice that vertex A is at the center, and angle C can be named in other way, that is angle BCA. This angle we are talking, angle C is equal to angle BCA, or it is also named as angle ACB. Angle ACB. Now every triangle does have three sides. These are three sides and they are formed by three segments. So every triangle has three sides. Every triangle has three sides formed by three segments. So they can be named as segment AB or segment BA. It can be named as segment BA as well. When we say segment AB and segment BA, we mean same. Or it can be written as AB segment. So this is segment AB. If you draw a short line over AB, it is read as segment AB. Then segment BC can be written as segment CA. It means one and the same. Or it can be named in this way, segment BC with a short line upside. Then segment AC can be written as BC is CB and segment AC is segment CA, or you can say AC bar. This is read as segment AC. So every triangle does have three vertices, three angles and three sides. We are studying triangles. Triangle is a closed figure formed by drawing segments between three non-collinear points. So if the points are collinear, we don't get the triangle. So points must be three non-collinear. They must not be in a single line. Then and then only by joining the segments between these non-collinear points we get geometrical figure that is called as triangle. Now depending upon the sides we have three types. So first type is scalene triangles. Scalene triangles. If all the three sides of the triangle are different, then or of different length, then we call such triangles as scalene triangles. So triangles with sides of different length are called as scalene triangles. Please note, if the length is different, if this is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, then you will notice the length of all three sides is different. Such triangles are called as scalene triangles. Scalene triangles can be like this as well. Then they can be obtuse angle triangle as well. So please note here, all three sides are different. Such triangles are called as scalene triangles. Next comes isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles. So these triangles have two sides equal. So if two sides are equal, then we call such triangles as isosceles triangle. They can be right angle triangle as well. So if these two sides are equal, we can call it an isosceles triangle. Even they can be obtuse angle triangle as well. So here also you can notice that these two sides are equal. In such cases, such triangles are called as isosceles triangles. Please note, two sides of the triangle are equal. So triangles with two sides equal, triangles with two sides equal, two sides of equal length are isosceles triangles. While writing, please be careful of the spelling of isosceles triangles. Now third type is equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles. If the triangles have all three sides equal, then we call such triangles as equilateral triangles. Such triangles are equilateral triangles. See, all three sides are equal. Please note, they will always be acute angle. They will never be right angle triangle. They will never be obtuse angle triangle. So equilateral triangles have all three sides equal. So triangles with all sides equal are called equilateral triangles. So triangles can be classified in three ways depending upon their sides. If none of the side is equal, we call such triangles as scalene triangles. If two sides are equal, we call such triangles as isosceles triangle. If all three sides are equal, then we call those type of triangles as equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle can be only acute angle triangles. Now, depending upon the angles also, we have three types. Depending upon angles, three types of the triangles are there. First is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Please note, in acute angle triangle, all three angles are acute. These angles are less than 90 degrees. So, if all angles of triangle are less than 90 degrees, then the triangle is called acute angle triangle. This D is silent. Please be careful while pronouncing. It is acute angle triangle. Then comes right angle triangle. Please note, in case of acute angle triangle, we have all angles less than 90 degrees. All angles less than 90. But in case of right angle, even if only one angle is right angle, then we call such triangles as right angle triangle. So if one angle of a triangle, and it can be possible only one. So please note, there can be only one right angle in a triangle. If angle, please note, one means A stands for 1. If a angle of a triangle is, if an angle of a triangle is, it stands for 1. If an angle of a triangle, if an angle of a triangle is a right angle, then the triangle is called, right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. And lastly, third type is obtuse angled triangle. Please note, again, there can be only one angle, obtuse angle. So here, right angle means 90 degrees. In this, if an angle of a triangle, if an angle of a triangle is more than 90 degrees, or we call it a obtuse angle. If one of the angle is obtuse angle, then we call such a triangle as, then the triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. So these are the three different types of triangles depending upon their angles.